In this midterm review, we will go over volcanoes and the four most common types of volcanoes. A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust through which lava, volcanic ash, and gases escape. Beneath the volcano, liquid magma, dissolved gases, magma, and rock rises through the Earth's crust. Our text gives us a great illustration of boundary layers, subduction zones, and volcano types. Volcanoes form at tectonic plate boundaries, divergent plate boundaries, continental rift zones, and from seafloor spreading. Almost all composite volcanoes are at subduction zones. Subduction zone volcanoes occur on the overriding plate and are offset inland from the actual plate boundary along the ocean trench. This is known as the Pacific Rim of volcanoes or the ring. In the northern hemisphere, the Cascade volcanoes are located in the northwestern United States. They were created from the Juan de Fuca plate. The Juan de Fuca Ridge is a mid-ocean floor spreading center with a divergent plate boundary located off the coast of the Pacific Northwest region of North America. There are numerous types of volcanoes or volcanic sources. The four volcanic sources that we will study or review are cinder cone, composite, shield, and seafloor volcanoes. Once again, volcanoes occur along both subduction and rift zones. Most subduction-related volcanoes are explosive and are built stratovolcanoes, or they're also known as composite volcanoes. These subduction-related volcanoes are explosive with a magma composition that varies from felsic to mafic. When that happens, composite volcanoes are created. For example, the Cascade Mountains, we have Mount St. Helens. Mount St. Helens was a medium-sized mountain, and it's located in a subduction zone. Shield volcanoes are associated with mantle plumes at divergent boundaries on land or on the seafloor. The Hawaiian island chain are the best examples of hotspot volcanoes. Two of these, Kilauea and Mauna Loa, located on a big island, are two of the most active volcanoes in the world. Shield volcanoes are also subducted beneath the continental plate seafloor with seafloor sediments that are rich in water and carbon dioxide. They are carried beneath the overriding plate. Magma is almost always mafic and eruptions are effusive. Kilauea is the youngest and most active shield volcano on the island of Hawaii. It has erupted almost continuously since 1983. The volcano is constantly erupting from the seafloor as well as through vents along the volcano's east rift zone. The Hawaiian island chain is formed over a series of hotspots. This is a photo of Mount Kilauea in January of 2020. Cinder cone volcanoes are flanked along larger volcanoes. Cinder cones are common and occur along the flanks of shield volcanoes. They are smaller in size and can be steep. Most are mafic and are formed from the gas-rich early stages of a shield or rift eruption. These cinder cone volcanoes are located on Oahu in Hawaii. On the top you have Koko Crater, and the bottom you have the most famous Diamond Head crater. This concludes our midterm review on volcanoes. Thank you.